by and take a look at the 2020 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance.